Hi everyone, it's Shanley here. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you today. I've never ordered from Elle Studio before, and I just received their new 2020 Document December kit. It just arrived in the mail and I thought we could open it together. I was very pleased when it came. It was so quick. The box is nice and sturdy and nice and long and narrow, and it's so cute. I love the little size. So let's go ahead and open it. There's some packaging on top. So it comes with a little thank you card. I love that little touch. And then a card that you can use for August, since I ordered in August. What I've seen in videos in the past is that if you order in May, you get a May card. If you order in December, you'll get on this day in December. So it's a fun little free little thing that they stick in. I like these little touches. So this is the main kit. The main kit was $35 and it comes with all kinds of fun stuff. So we'll go through this first. And these are all the little add-ons that I got. And there were pages and pages full of fun add-ons to pick. I was very selective. There's so much more than what you see here. So these are just a couple of my favorites, and I'll set those aside and go through those in just a minute. So here we go. Here's our Document December kit by Elle Studio. I love that little sticker. It's just so nicely packaged. So this first little pile looks like the cards. So you have the 4x6 cards and a whole stack full of 3x4 cards. I'll go through those in just a minute. And some beautiful wood veneers. Merrymaking, fa la la, holiday wishes, so cozy. I love wood veneers in my album. Then you get a whole bunch of December die cuts. You get the Merry and Bright chipboard stickers. I love the little candy canes. Just look at the beautiful colors. It all goes together so nicely. And my color scheme this year does have a lot of mints and pinks and reds and greens. So this will go so well with my album this year. It comes with Jane Tile alphabet stickers, and there is a ton of letters. Like, look at all the A's. Like 9 letter A's. Like, so it comes with so many of each letter, and then a bunch of numbers on the back. And the nice mint. And then it also comes with your calendar month. And I love putting in the calendar for the year. That is so nice. Little tree in the corner. I love that. The kit also comes with 2 more sticker sheets. And you have the date labels for every single day in December. So it's black lettering on white. Love that. And my album this year will be black. It's the Ali Edwards black album, Merry album. That will look so nice as well. And then it comes with this sticker sheet. And it has all kinds of like circles, tags, text strips. Very nice. Let's have a look at some of these die cuts. I won't go through them all, but just look at the beautiful selection. Oh, this beautiful pink die cut ribbon. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, look at all the little pieces. Oh, there's another little ribbon. Isn't that sweet? A whole bunch of stuff in there. So let's go ahead and go through the 3x4 cards. The Merry Details, 3 favorites from this season. I love the list cards. On This Day in December in green. I noticed they had a whole stack of these available on the website as well. Pretty stars, some holly, a little baking bowl, mixing spoon. Merry, Merry and Bright, hot cocoa, and there's a whole list. That is cute. Numbers 1 through 5. A wood green, special moment 1 and 2. Notes from this day, holiday gathering. On this day in red, a tree, let your heart be light. Oh, I love the presents in this one. Oh, it's so beautiful. Currently loving, details from Christmas Eve, holiday happiness, joy to the world, currently during the holidays, all about our Christmas tree. Oh, that would be perfect for the day you go cut down your tree. Details from Christmas Day, Christmas checklist, a nice journaling card. Oh, that's cute. Christmas playlist with the music notes. And Dear Santa from. Oh, that's so cute. You get 30 3x4 cards. Just a whole bunch. Then you get your 4x6s. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 3x4s. So you have a nice journaling card with stripes. Oh, this is nice. This is a little recipe card. Holiday season, embracing all the moments. Oh, there's the beautiful holly pattern. I wish I had like a full sheet, 12x12 sheet of that print. It's one of my favorites. Nice December card in pink. Another nice journaling card in green. On the wish list. And more of that wood green. So this is everything that comes in your Document December kit for 2020. It's all kinds of stuff for $35 in this little bag, and I'm so pleased with it. So let's go ahead and go through my add-ons. This is just a tiny little bit compared to what they had on the website, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it linked below. The first thing I got was this December 2020 acrylic, and it is in this beautiful gold. I had to have it as soon as I saw it. And they have this in multiple different colors. They have in white and wood veneer and several other options, but I really like the gold this year. I also got the puffy alphabet stickers, and I love the multicolor option, and this is really gonna go with my color scheme this year. I also have the stars, hearts, and dots puffy stickers. I got Deck the Halls puffy stickers, and I also love all the nice text and the beautiful font and in the black. I'm doing a lot of blacks this year in my album. You also have your Christmas cookie stickers, and it comes with two separate sheets. So this on the back, fun little cookies, some text strips, and then on the front you've got your mixing bowl, your tray of cookies, just all kinds of fun stickers. And the last thing I got was another one of the December date labels, and they had these in multiple different color options, but I got the red. So this is everything that I got. It was just a fun sampling of everything, and I can't wait to use all the pieces in my album this year. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video. Everything was packaged so beautifully, and it came so quickly. From when I ordered it till now, I was shocked at how quickly it came. I think it was within 2 weeks it was in my mailbox. And I'm in Canada, so their service is very quick. And hopefully come December, I can do some layouts with you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.